Yan, Garin Farm, San Joaquin, Iloilo, Philippines. And entrance fee is $150. 20% discount for senior and student. Yan, nag-i-inquire na sila kung sila ay sasakay ng golf cart o maglalakad.
Sa pagtang cross, yun ang medyo mataas.
Kasi yun, yung golf cart ride is 60 pesos, gate to pavilion. Tapos, pavilion to cross, 90 pesos. Yan, ang presyo. Okay, let's go. Hindi, nagsawa na kami sa kalalakad welcome to Garin Farm. You are entering a farm. Please expect some full odor. That is the golf car. So, sakay na. Ay, ganda. Sakay na. Tatlo ang pwede dyan. It's our first
pwede rin
time.
gamitin niya mamaya pabalik kuya.
Ayun na kami.
Para hindi ka hingalin.
Ito, mga kakilala namin yan. Maglakad. At as we are going towards the pavilion. Hey! Do not hold that one, Andre. Si Andre gusto niya nang humawak doon. No. Yeah. Hello. Modern Ilonggo farmer. Ginagawa nila kung papalugulong. Hey! We're going up. And this is abandoned. Tirahan ng mga kalapati na na-abandon na. Si Snow White ay snowman pala. So, andito tayo sa pavilion. Alright. So, this is the pavilion. Kainan at saka bilihan ng souvenirs. So, let's move to the Garin Pilgrimage. A journey from creation to ascension. You are entering a spiritual area. Humility is the key to eternity. And want to live longer, feed your body. Want to live forever, feed your soul. Want to enjoy life, this is the place. So, let's go. Andre, do not hold that one. Let's go. Andre, Sai. Your children, your responsibility. You are my responsibility. Come on, guys. Wow, it's so beautiful. This is the creation of the world. The Adam and Eva is here. Guys, come see. Adam and Eve is here. Come on. The Adam and Eve and the lion and lahat-lahat. And the zebra and all kinds of animals. And that is Moses and Moses. Okay, Moses holding the 10 commandments. So, let's go up. How many steps? Okay. So, the kids are leading the way up. Going up to the cross. Going up to the cross. Alright. 10 commandments. These are the 10 commandments. Oh, let's go. Why? No retreat, no surrender.